Well, the rule the rule of thumb for a security device or a secure building is to have many vaulted devices that are vectored and um, in a variety of ways that, like, even your door needs several deadbolt locks. My mom came up with that one. Although I remember seeing it in history a long time ago, I just, sometimes there's like goofy cartoons and goofy movies. They put like multiple deadbolts on their door. There's actually probably people in the world that really do this, but you probably should nowadays. Honestly, people are after you nowadays. They want to take your money, take your life, take everything away from you. Don't ask me why. It could be anything. They want to steal your organs and everything, steal your stuff, steal everything. And it's really hard to produce security if you don't do these things, like vault up all your information, all your data, create mini vectors, disguises, cover your face, change your name, go to different places, hide, vault up, get weapons, things like that. This is all necessary. When people think that they're after you, that you deserve to die for no reason or any reason, even though that's not necessarily what it is, okay? But you got to admit that if you hold a clean record, you honestly don't deserve that treatment. So my record's not that bad. I don't have extreme crimes, really. No, not really. Not considering a lot of the charges were premeditated by the government, and there weren't really any serious charges, and didn't actually try to kill anyone. I don't rape people. Um, I don't lie about things most of the time. I don't have a reason to lie. You might lie a little white lie every now and then, like hiding your password or hiding something that doesn't belong to somebody else. Those things, they don't necessarily matter, but they could. However, it's not everybody's information to tell all of your business to everyone all the time. Okay, that's not necessary. It's not cool. So we do it sometimes, though, because we want to open up something that needs to be understood. Okay, and then we revector and we change everything and it becomes the lock again. Okay, but it doesn't mean if you're a public figure or not a public figure that you have to adhere to a bunch of lies and bullshit and propaganda. But you do what you gotta do to survive or whatever. But what is the world doing? What is religion? What is law? It's just survival in the end. Where are you gonna go? You gonna vector off into space or the Matrix or whatever? It's up to you. I mean, we're doing all this. We're putting it all out there to be discussed. So no one has to be considered crazy just for having an idea or just for having a reason to live. But we honestly don't want people committing crimes. I don't think anybody really wants to indulge in hordes of crime. I don't think that's really what they want to do. No, because we are just apparently human, unless there are other aliens here I'm not aware of, which there very well could be. I'm certain that it's possible. I actually think that human life may have been created by an alien, but that doesn't mean that I've seen it all or know about it all. I don't, but I have indications that there's something very special and odd here. At the same time, it is very physical. In reality, knowing the difference between this reality and an alternative reality, and of any kind, a simulation or whatever, that's still up for discussion. But anything that goes with science is just measurements. It's all dangerous, but if you do it carefully and you know how to put up your walls and your vectors, you won't have to worry about certain things that are extremely dangerous because it can't get you, can't get anyone. And then you start initially with small models, okay, and then you apply a multi-factor to it, and you predict that it has different or the same vectors as a multi-factor, and you don't know exactly how powerful it is or isn't. Okay, but either way, it's like giant magnets on the Earth. You don't know what it means to have a giant magnet, electromagnet on the Earth. It actually rapes gravity. Okay, they connect you to your computer, and suddenly you push a button, and the world will spin out of control. Okay, it rapes the magnetic field, which is unified in all the matter on this Earth, and it's unified in all the particles on this Earth, even gravity, heat, light, everything. Okay, so like if you take one field away from this Earth, it doesn't vector correctly. Suddenly, the Earth will not be the same. Okay, if the universe doesn't continue to rain that which it rains, it won't be the same. If it doesn't fire the way it fires, it doesn't fire. Okay, so if you take something, any angled vector away from the normal reality we live in, it will all disappear eventually. Okay, according to the way that it operates geometrically, everything is nothing more than 5 laws in geometrical vectors. Begin.